This is in response to a comment about cleaning headlights, and what I've got here is a little bit of baby shampoo and water, and I use this when I do window tinting. Pretty common hack, I think everybody probably knows that. But in order to keep the lens lubricated while you're sanding to remove all the oxidation, this will keep you from having to reapply the water, and also works as a cleaning agent in the process. So I'm just going to keep this thing wet here, moving back and forth. The question was, will this affect the polish out of your headlight? I am convinced it will not. Although after using this, I always clean the surface with a degreaser of some sort. Usually I just use acetone or nail polish remover, something like that. So what I've got is 1000 grit paper, and you can see the headlight before I got started. And as you'll see, all the film is running off the headlight now, and it's only been about a minute of time here, so no time lapse, this is real time. Flip the paper over. And notice I'm just going back and forth with the sandpaper here. Alright. Microfiber cloth. You see you got a nice hazy look there. As you can see, all the yellow is now gone from the headlight. I'll take a little bit of acetone here. A microfiber. Swipe across the surface. One direction only, making single passes. It's very important. If you wipe back and forth, you'll recontaminate your lens surface. So there. And this one here. Sorry for the bad video quality. You can see that yellow oxidation shows up there in the rag. Okay, the headlight is crystal clear. This is with no polish. This is simply a little bit of water with a few drops of baby shampoo, 1000 grit sandpaper, and acetone to clean it up. So here's another shot of the finished product.